SKTV is delighted to present the remarkable journey of Binila Khumukcham from Jiribam, a differently able student who recently achieved extraordinary success in the Class 10 examinations conducted by the Board of Secondary Education Manipur. With an outstanding score of 66.5%, Binila not only passed but emerged as the topper of Kasturba Girls High School. Her exceptional accomplishment has captured the attention of the Chief Minister of the state, who after SKTV covered her story, personally reached out to commend her achievements and offer encouragement. Binila's resilience and determination serve as an inspiration to all, demonstrating the power of perseverance in the face of adversity. Today, Chief Minister N. Biren spoke with Binila via video conferencing. Chief Minister N. Biren encouraged Binila and advised her to work hard for Class 12 examination as well. Also, with regards to the same, SKTV News met with Binila Khumukcham today in presence of Chairman of Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Limited K. Sarat Kumar, ZEO Th. Amurashi, President of BJP Jiribam Mandal and others.
Sir.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Yam phagre 60% kaya?
60.5.
Good.